Alrighty. How much charge in 2.5 amp hours? So when you look at rechargeable batteries, they will, like those AA batteries, right? They will talk about milliamp hours, right? And obviously an amp hour is just 1,000 times that, right? So in 2.5 amp hours, that is an amp flowing for 2.5 hours, right? Okay, so let's see, it is 1 coulomb per second, right? Flowing for 2.5 hours, and 2.5 hours is 3,600 seconds, right? Let's see if we can do this. So 1 times 2.5 times 3,600 is 9,000 coulombs. And I don't know, like a Leaf battery, how many amp hours it has, but it's a lot of coulombs of charge. Now keep in mind that these coulombs of charge, you know, one of them's not here and one of them's not in Lincoln City, right? The positive and negative coulombs, they're very, very close together. They're just chemically displaced just slightly, okay? Anyway.